If you think you need a full shop to make projects like this, that's exactly what's keeping you from getting in the shop. I used to think the same thing. More tools, better setup. That was going to solve all of my woodworking problems. But guess what? It's not. All you need is one board, a few tools, and a simple process that I'm going to show you. It isn't anything fancy. I promise if I can do it, so can you. It takes a couple of hours, including time for the glue to dry. Not a full shop, not a full setup. Just taking your time, follow the process, and doing things the right way. So let's get into it. This is usually where people start thinking that they need something else. A different tool, a better way to cut it, something to make it easier. But most of the time, that's not the problem. It's control, staying on your line, not rushing to cut, letting the tool do what it was built to do. If you can do that, you're already ahead of most people who are starting out. This is where the difference shows up. This part right here. This is where most people start to rush it. Because sanding, well, let's face it, it isn't fun. But it's also the part that shows the most. You can get everything else right and still ruin it right here. if the edges feel off, if the shape isn't consistent, it doesn't sit right when you look at it, and you'll never be able to unsee it. So this is where you must slow down. Clean edges, consistent shape. That's what makes it look right. Ah, this is the payoff. That cherry grain, that is why you take your time. This is where all of that slow work shows up. You just can't fake this part. So there you go. One board, minimal tools, done right. This is what happens when you worry about process and steps and not setup. Slow is smooth, and smooth shows. If this kind of work matters to you, then stick around. And yeah, smash that like and subscribe button because that helps this channel more than you could ever know. Until next week, get in the shop and be a maker.